The heron bird is a majestic and graceful creature that belongs to the Ardeidae family. With its long neck, slender body, and elongated legs, the heron is easily recognizable and often admired for its elegant appearance. These birds can be found in various habitats around the world, including wetlands, marshes, rivers, lakes, and coastal areas. One of the most striking features of the heron is its long, S-shaped neck. This adaptation allows the bird to reach deep into the water or vegetation to catch its prey. Herons primarily feed on fish, but they are also known to consume amphibians, small reptiles, insects, and even small mammals. With their sharp beaks, herons can swiftly strike at their prey with precision and accuracy. Herons are well known for their patient and stealthy hunting techniques. They often stand motionless in shallow water, patiently waiting for their prey to come within striking distance. Once a suitable opportunity arises, the heron will quickly extend its neck and lunge forward to snatch its prey. Their remarkable agility and swift movements make them successful hunters. In addition to their hunting prowess, herons are also remarkable flyers. With their broad wingspan, they can soar through the sky with grace and ease. Herons typically fly with slow, deliberate wing beats and can cover considerable distances during their migratory journeys. Different species of herons exhibit varying plumage colors and patterns. The great blue heron, for instance, has a predominantly blue-gray plumage with a white face and a distinctive black stripe extending from its eye to the back of its head. Other species may display shades of gray, brown, white, or black. During breeding season, herons often develop beautiful plumes and ornamental feathers, which they use to attract mates. Apart from their physical attributes, herons also possess interesting behaviors. These birds are often seen nesting in colonies called heronries. They construct their nests high up in trees or on cliffs to protect their young from predators. Herons are known for their communal nesting habits, with multiple nests often found in close proximity to one another. Overall, herons are captivating creatures that embody grace, patience, and adaptability. Whether observing their striking appearance, witnessing their skillful hunting techniques, or admiring their aerial maneuvers, encountering a heron in its natural alike. Size and adaptations. Herons vary in size depending on the species, ranging from small herons like the little bittern, which measures around 30 centimeters, 12 inches, in length, to larger species like the Goliath heron, which can reach heights of 152 centimeters, 60 inches. Their long legs and toes are perfectly adapted for wading through water and marshy areas. Global distribution. Herons are found on every continent except Antarctica. They are highly adaptable and courtship displays. During the breeding season, herons engage in elaborate courtship displays to attract mates. These displays involve various behaviors, such as aerial acrobatics, bill clapping, stretching their necks, and pointing their beaks skyward. These captivating performances help strengthen the pair bond between herons. Unique hunting methods. Herons employ different hunting techniques depending on their habitat and prey availability. Some species, like the great egret,